The caterpillar addition method is to introduce the concept of using student language and to teach the concrete materials as they understand of the addition method in the foundation year. Now I'll demonstrate how to use the addition method. If there are 3 caterpillars eating this leaf and 4 caterpillars eating this leaf, how many caterpillars in this leaf and how many caterpillars in this other leaf? Now we'll count. There are 1, 2, 3 caterpillars in this leaf, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 caterpillars in this other leaf. Now we'll ask the children how many caterpillars altogether. If the caterpillars try to eat the other big fresh leaf, how could we work this out? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 caterpillars altogether in the big leaf. Once students understand the concept of joining 2 groups together to make one group 1, then we can move to strategies such as count on, use doubles, and tens. Thank you for listening.